G'day, g'day. So in this video we're doing a review on the Viking Cycle Odin leather vest for men. Check it out. Fuck. That sucks. There we go. Righto, so the guys at Viking Cycles reached out to me probably around a month ago and asked me if I'd be interested in doing a bit of work with them, reviewing some of their products. So I was like, hell yeah, I'd be keen on that. Checked out their website and they pretty much said pick something you want to do a review on and we'll send it out to you and just give us the feedback, you know, make a video about it. I'm like, righto, sweet. So I jumped on, had a look over everything, and yeah, this vest caught my eye. This vest is called the Odin, and I'm a bit of a Viking fan myself, so yeah, that name sort of stuck out to me. I'm like, yeah, that's the one I want to try. So I got back in touch and said, yeah, I'd like to do a review on this one, please. And yeah, really fast shipping, man, from the States. I had it within a week, so that's pretty impressive. So I didn't just chuck it on and jump on the bike and do a review video. I've been riding with this vest every day for, yeah, for nearly a month now, I suppose. Be around 3 weeks, so I can give you an honest opinion. So first impressions of it was, yeah, I like the design. I like the stretchy things on the side, whatever you call them. Makes it stand out from every other vest, you know. There's a point of difference. I like that. The second thing I like is there is no branding at all. Not even one logo on the outside of the vest. I thought that was cool. If you're a club rider and you got to put patches on, yeah, this will be sweet. There's plenty of room for patches, front and back. Now, thirdly is all the little gizmos and gadgets or pockets, you know, places to run wires through. So I'm going to throw a couple of photos up on the screen and you can have a look at oh, I can't believe how many pockets it's got. One of them, this one here on the right hand side, front of the vest, has a little cord thing with a clip on it so you could hook your keys or something onto there and not be worried about losing them. There we go, a bit of posing for the thumbnail, guys, bit of behind the scenes action there for you. You always got to get that cool shot. But yeah, anyway, so another thing I want to touch on is the price of these things. They are ridiculously cheap. I think they're too cheap because when you see such a low price, you assume low quality, but it's just not the case. The leather is soft and flexible and like it feels like good quality. I'm no leather expert, but you know, you sort of just get the feel for it when you pick it up. It feels good on, it fits perfectly. I like it to fit nice across the shoulders, so this one is an extra large. And to give you a bit of size perception, I'm 6'2" and 103 kilos. So I'm a decent lump, and yeah, this fits like a glove. I didn't adjust a single thing on the side, nothing. I just put it straight on. So we'll cut to the shed. I'll get off and give you guys a better look. So we'll see you there. Alright guys, so this is it. What do you reckon? Fits like a glove. Awesome quality leather. Pockets everywhere and they're deep. That's the little latch I was talking about on the bike. So what do you reckon? There's just pockets everywhere on these things, and it's got the little channels so you can run your earphones up through and all that sort of stuff. So I'll take it off and give you a better look. So as I was saying, guys, I like the side panels. Makes it look a lot different from every other vest. There's no badging at all, no branding on the outside. Obviously they have the logo, but yeah, pockets on the side. You can run your earphones up through the front. I'll put that photo up again showing all the pockets, etc. There you go. They even label it, tell you where you can put your phone, knife and pen holder. Sunnies, another pocket. I think this is like a concealed carry vest too, if you're lucky enough to live where you can carry. We can't in Australia. And that's the back. So plenty of room for patches for the club guys. I like it. Good quality. Nice and thick. Alright guys, so that's my review on the Viking Cycle Odin leather vest. I'm wrapped with it, mate. The quality, the price, how it performs, and all the features are just unreal in a vest. It's everything you could want out of one anyway. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you haven't already, check out vikingcycles.com. They've got a great website, great product range, their gloves, and they do a pretty kick-ass backpack as well, which that's going to be my next purchase. So yeah, anyway, check them out guys, tell them SkidPig sent you, and yeah, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, headbutt that subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one, eh? See ya!